Hello everyone, welcome back to Honey's Galaxy. Today we are going to make the most trending cake, which is the pull me up cake. I have already prepared the chocolate base and the chocolate ganache. Now let's start setting it up. Let's apply some sugar syrup. And after applying the sugar base, now is the time to spread the ganache on the cake. And after that, now let's add in more white chocolate and dark chocolate chips. And now is the time to apply some whipped cream. और अब हम नेक्स्ट बेस डाल देते हैं. And now let's repeat the steps again of sugar syrup and covering it with the ganache. And now comes the main thing, to cover it with a plastic transparent sheet. You'll get this sheet easily from a stationery shop. Cover the cake with these two sheets and then join the sheets with the help of a tape. And lastly, we have to pour in the prepared ganache and top it up with some sprinklers and choco chips of your choice. And lastly, pull these two plastic sheets up and see how your chocolate drips all over the cake. And this was my attempt for pull me up cake. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.